Welcome once again to this video. I welcome all of you. So I just want all of you to understand something that a course has been created for uh, for our excuse me, for the newbies we have in the house. Okay, so a lot of people contact me, and many of them are newbies. They keep asking me different kind of questions. So I find myself keep repeating myself all the time. So I decided to come up with these video, okay, to let them know that the course is available now. The Boom and Crash 101 complete beginner video course is available, and you can register and get your own materials, okay, so that you will not have to be a newbie. Okay, the good thing about this course is that you can earn as you learn, or once you finish your training you can start making money immediately. This is a training put together for beginners, who are new to the trading and don't know where to start from. So if you are also tired of funding your account on a regular basis and desire to make consistent profit, then this is for you. If also you are looking for a good, profitable and workable trading strategy for mobile and PC, then this is also for you. This course is for you. This course is something I completely put down everything you need to know to make you totally profitable in the boom and crash market. You don't have to do anything other than to get the training and get started in making money immediately using our powerful indicators. Okay, this is one of the indicators. This is the second one, and this is the third one. I don't promote any other indicator on my YouTube channel because these ones they deliver. These are all I do. These are all I do. These are all I do. These indicators are all I promote. Okay, they are all I promote. So what makes you think that deriv trading is hard? It's simple because the secret is hidden from you. Novice traders and ignorant people lose their hard-earned money, their capital, to this broker daily, because women crashing desks are programmed with high level technicality and they're coded with scripts as well. So you need to learn how to stay ahead of deriv algorithm. Okay, so more of what you will learn in this course is how to register on the deriv platform, how to download your trading platform to your laptop and install it immediately, how to navigate the trading deriv trading platform, even how to change your lot size from 2.0 to any amount, and then how to install any indicator from Telegram to your deriv trading platform, any indicator whatsoever. And then another what you also learn is understanding resistance and support, demand and supply zones, and then how to grow small accounts using our scalping indicator. This is our scalping indicator. Okay, don't look at this. Don't look at this something. I just placed it there. Don't look at this one. Hmm? Let me show you the beauty of this scalping indicator. It's very powerful. Okay, very powerful. Now look at this. Let me just explain this quickly. You can see that. So when your uh, star appears, is an opportunity for you to enter the trade. Like what happened here now. Let me just zoom out so you can see very clearly. Look at this quickly. Now look at this. The market after this spike move, okay, the market was began to soar up, right? Good. Now, once the star appears, once this star appears, look at it very well. Once this star appears, it's a opportunity for you to enter the market. Where is your exit? Your exit is where the market is now. So you'd have taken profit. If you have entered there, you'd have taken your profit what here. Once the market touches this line, this red line now you are seeing here, you close your trade. Highly scalping technology. Look at here. After the spike, star appeared here, you entered your trade. The moment the market touches this red line, you close your trade. You understand me? You close your trade. Look at here now. After this spike here, after this spike here, you understand me? The star appeared here and you entered. The moment the market touches here, you close your trade. You understand me? Now, one good way to gauge this is this. Look at this RSI here. Once your RSI touches 10, okay, you wait for the star to appear. It's a good time for you to make some money. Look at this now. From here, you close here. Okay, you see that now. Once the market is on a downtrend, about to go uptrend, it's a good opportunity for you to what? To make some money. Look at this here and here. Okay, so you can use this indicator to grow a small account, $10, $12, $15, even an $8 account. I'm telling you, if you use a good sizable lot size, So you can also learn how to place your trades and take profit and stop loss. And I put in 4 strategies that you can use. Number one, how to scalp the markets, making consistent profit using trade against spike indicator, highly profitable, which is this particular indicator here. And then strategy two, how to use the HSI trading strategy for 15 candlestick, which is also in the course too. I can show it to you here. Strategy strategy number three, how to use the cross strategy. How to use the cross strategy, killer. Now, so the third strategy, how to use the cross strategy, killer strategy for mobile and PC. Strategy you can use for your mobile and your PC at the same time. It's a very, very profitable strategy. These are the things I put together. And the fourth strategy I put there is how to trade profitably using our reversal indicator. Using our reversal indicator. So I put these things together. Okay. I put these things together. You can see this is on a downtrend. All right. So you cannot be buying when this indicator has told you to sell. You understand me? So forget about what you are seeing now. It's still going down. You understand? Still going down. You need to learn how to use this indicator very, very properly. Look at this. Even when it gave you a buy here, it was coming down. You were thinking, oh, he's selling. You want to enter for sale, and it reversed. It came down. Oh, he's selling. It entered for sale, and it reversed. So you don't have to look at that. Look at this place now. There's a zone here which can make it to spike once down. So let me move forward. Now, you need to understand how to analyze the market very well. Very, very important. Okay, let me drop this pencil. All right. So, like I'm saying, I'm saying, so you also learn how to know the best time to trade, how to know the best time frame to use in your trading, and how to beat deriv algorithm. That's very, very important. You also learn how to withdraw your profit. So there are bonuses I kept for this in this training course. Anyone who registers automatically gets all our indicators, all our 3 profitable indicators. Anyone who registers automatically gets it. They get the indicator. Anyone that registers, they get the indicator. Okay, so you look at the bonuses I kept here. The spike indicator. This is the spike indicator. Okay, on 5-minute time frame. All you do is wait for the market to go outside the band, and then you take your trade. Once outside the band, once it comes up, you take your trade. You can see now outside the band. Once it comes up, you take your trade. You can see. You can see that. So you wait for the indicator to give you a signal outside the band for you to catch spikes on a 5-minute time frame. It's very, very important. Very, very important for you to understand that. Wait for the indicator to give you a signal outside the band. Outside the band. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. That is how to use it. Okay. So that's what you get for free. Another bonus is you automatically get our powerful mobile trading strategy, the one-touch strategy to trade using your mobile phone. So there are 2 mobile strategies I kept in this training. Okay, and you get our powerful scalping tool for consistent profits. Okay, so we got you covered totally. Remember, knowledge is power. Get the right knowledge, get the right tools. That's what you need. So I'm putting this for early birds, those who register early. The first 30 people just pay $25 only, and those who will register late, they'll pay $130. Okay, now this lasts for just very, 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 very short dates. Okay, so I'm not opening this for long because I don't want too many people. Like I said, the first 30 people, okay, who have this can pay $25 for this. So register today and get access to the training materials and videos. Okay, I'm expecting to hear from you guys. Okay, so those newbies in the house, so please register for this course, get the free tools, get the training, and get the power to stand against deriv and overcome deriv. That is the only way out. You need knowledge and the right tool to stand against deriv and overcome. See what I told you? Look what I told you. You see what I told you now? It has spiked back. Learn how to use this indicator. It will make you good money. Have a wonderful time, and bye-bye. That reminds me, I kept the link to register below the video. Okay, the link is there. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time.